Hello everyone. Today's story is actually going to be a practice in listening comprehension because you'll hear it but you won't actually see it. So before you listen to the story, go ahead and get something to write with and get a piece of paper so that you can take notes so that you're ready to answer my question. Once you've got your writing tool and your paper, you'll then be ready to listen to the passage as many times as you need to. After you've listened to the passage, you'll be ready to send me a message. In your subject line, I want you to type Navajo Code Talkers. And then in the message section, you're going to write complete sentences or record your answer to the following question. The question is, what are 3 things you learned? And you can use the sentence starter, 3 things I learned are blank, blank, and blank. So be ready to listen to the story in the second video, and if you need help sending a message to me, take a look at the 3rd video on this page. As always, if you need help with anything, send me a message or come to the chat when it's open. Thanks, and I'll talk to you later.